In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy another Shopify store. Before we begin, a quick note. This process copies a theme, not your products, pages, apps, or customer data, and you should only transfer themes you own or have permission to use. With that in mind, let's walk through it clearly and safely. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into the store that already has the theme you want to copy. It's best to do this on a desktop browser so you can see all the options easily. Once you're in your admin, head to Online Store. This section shows your current theme and your theme library. Find the theme you want to export. If it's the live theme, you can still download it. If it's in your library, that works too. Look for the three dots menu next to the theme. Click those three dots to open the Theme Actions menu. From there, choose Download theme file. Shopify will prepare a compressed .zip file of your theme. You may see a prompt confirming that the download link will be sent to the store owner's email. Click Send email to proceed. Keep in mind, Shopify emails a secure link rather than downloading instantly inside the browser. Now check your inbox for the message from Shopify with the theme download link. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folders. Open the email, click the link, and download the .zip file to a safe place on your computer. Make sure to save this file where you can easily find it later and don't unzip it. The import tool needs the original .zip format. It's also a good idea to keep a backup copy in case you need it again. Next, open your other Shopify store where you want the theme to appear. Go to Online Store and look for the Import Theme option in your theme library. Click Import Theme, then upload the exact .zip file you just downloaded. Wait for the upload to complete. Larger themes can take a bit longer. When the upload finishes, the theme will appear in your theme library. It won't go live automatically, so you can safely preview and customize it without affecting your storefront. A few tips as you wrap up. Make sure you have the right permissions on both stores, keep the file secure and private, and remember that you'll need to reconfigure settings, apps, and content on the new store. That's it. Your theme is now copied and ready to use.